Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in Subnautica Below Zero. The process is quite straightforward once you have the necessary equipment. You'll need to locate the coffee machine blueprint first, as it's the sole method for brewing this refreshing beverage. Once crafted, it offers a convenient way to boost your hydration while exploring the frigid waters of planet 4546b. Let's dive into finding that blueprint. To get your hands on the coffee machine, you'll need to explore the wreckage of the Mercury Roman II. This massive ship is broken into several pieces across the game world. Focus your search on the bridge and cargo sections, as these are the most common locations for the blueprint fragments. Remember, you'll need to scan 2 distinct fragments to fully unlock the crafting recipe for this essential item. Happy hunting! Once you have the blueprint, head to any fabricator to craft your coffee machine. It's a simple recipe, requiring just 1 titanium and 1 copper wire. After crafting, you can place it in your sea base or even your sea truck for on-the-go brewing. Simply interact with the machine, and it will instantly produce a hot cup of coffee, ready to enjoy. It's a small luxury that makes a big difference. Beyond just being a nice treat, coffee in Below Zero is genuinely useful. Each cup restores 15 hydration points, making it a quick and efficient way to manage your thirst during long expeditions. It's a small but significant quality of life improvement for any survivor. And speaking of quality of life, if you want your real-world ride smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.